What is up, everybody? Welcome to part 3 of fixing the Accord. Today we are going to be replacing these side marker thingies because the bulb fucking broke, and I got to replace a main ground wire because it doesn't start sometimes, and I also got to figure out how to hold up the fuel tank without ratchet straps. So let's fucking get to it. All right, so this is the bulb that I took out of this guy because it didn't work, and I can't get this piece literally fucking anywhere. So I got whole new ones of these for $40 on eBay. That came with these, so that was obviously the right fucking choice. So get these out. It's literally just a little Phillips screw right here in this little crevice, and this motherfucker just okay. You might need pry bar. Oh, this shit was a pain in the ass to get out the first time.
Just sitting at like 1307, 1311. So I mean, it's charging, but very slowly.
Yeah, I feel like it'd be fine. Bro, these things fucking suck to get out. It's like you gotta fucking break them.
Oh, you did break it.
Yeah, I know. That's alright, I'm putting a new one in. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Because it gets stuck on the fucking bumper. There we go. Now, these fuckers are low-key annoying. Just got this little tab thingy. I'll just pull that guy out for now. Boom! One out. Alright, Mr. Plug is out. Mr. Plug is very corroded, but hopefully it'll be alright. Alright, so here's the new one. All nice and beautiful. Actually looks really nice for $20 a pop. And it's already got the bulbs in it, which is literally the fucking thing that I needed. Well, I guess I needed this plastic plug, but that's fine. For $40, you cannot complain. Okay, now he went in there. Let's see. Will this plug nicely go in there? Boom. Very nice. All right, now we gotta make sure that we don't break this one. So there's two tabs right on here that have to line up with these holes, and there's a tab in here that needs to go in this hole. So just want to make sure you line everything up nicely, and then just push that motherfucker in there. Whew. That actually looks fucking really good. Oh, that looks nice. Boom. That is one side complete. And yes, I'm definitely gonna do something about the headlights too. Just not now because they work. I just need to get these because there's no front blinkers on this thing. So, all right. Side number 2. Plug number 1 out. Plug number 2 out. All right. Boom. Number 2. Dude, those look so much fucking better. Hell yes. Hell yes. I want to see if they work real quick. All right, so blinkers do not fucking work. Not really sure why. I'm assuming it's got to be like a wiring issue or a blown fuse because neither of the front ones work, but the back ones do. And they got brand new bulbs and everything, so I don't really know. There's not much to them. And I checked that fuse box. There's nothing from blinkers in there, so I'm going to have to check the one underneath there, which under the passenger seat or whatever, under the dash. So I'm not fucking doing that now. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to replace this main ground wire. I don't know. Probably can't see it, but oh, yeah, there you can. It is extremely frayed and not doing very well. And I think this could be the reason why my car just doesn't want to start sometimes. So at least I'm really hoping that that's the reason. So yeah, I'm going to get that. I'm pretty sure it's just this one right here. And then just run a new wire for it because that one is very fucked. Shit, oh, okay, might replace this one too. No, did. Okay, might. Bam. We'll ground out. That'll fit in there. All right. Yeah, I got this guy out. Probably don't need to replace him, but you might as well, right? Hell yeah, bro. My welded sway bar is still fucking holding. No, no, you leave the radiator closed. You don't touch the radiator anymore. See, bro, look at. So this is the ground I pulled out. Not really grounding much anymore. I'm actually very glad I'm replacing this. This is way more fucked than I thought it was. Gosh damn. All right, so now I gotta make 2 grounds, one this long and one this long. Should be pretty easy. All right, so I got my 2 ground wires. We got the small one to go to the frame, and we got the big one to go to the transmission. And yes, I am oversizing the fuck out of this because it is copper clad, so it's shit. So that's why we're oversizing it, because yes. So basically, all we need to do is strip these motherfuckers, which I forgot the knife, so I gotta go get that. And then we put the ends on and get them on there. Should be pretty self-explanatory and pretty simple. Cannot lie to you. All right, I got Mr. Knife. So we're just gonna strip these Johnnies back a little bit. Oh, my nose is itchy. Okay. Fuck. Come on, man. Why do you gotta do this to me? All right. And give her a fucking little squeeze. Let me give her another little squeeze. Let me give her another squeeze. And boom. That fucker is not going nowhere. Now we just need to repeat por favor on the side of the other side. All right. I would say that is pretty damn good. I don't know if you can get a better crimp than that. On to wire number 2. I got this old Johnny here. Fuck. It's something to like hold this. If I hold it in my legs. There we go. That's how you do it. All right, I'll say that's a pretty damn good crimp right there. What? I'll say that's pretty damn good. All right, so I got these 2. I got both the ends on them, so I'm gonna go inside and put some heat shrink on them, and then we'll get them back installed in the car. All right, so I got them nice and shrink wrapped. Should work pretty well. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these Johnnies back in there. I'll start with the hard one first, the one down at the bottom. I'm gonna see if I can shove it through the existing hole. I fucking doubt it, but we're gonna try. Yeah, it's not gonna shove through the existing hole, that's for sure. Actually, it might if I fucking pry bar it. No, I almost got it. It's so close. We're gonna fit through the original hole, boys. Yes! She fucking fitted. Thank the Lord.
You got everything held in by zip ties, dog.
I know. All right. So we got the main ground of the transmission right into the transmission. Now we just need to go boop. And then we're fucking good. Now we just need to do this guy. So I'm going to be sanding this little hole right here where the ground goes so we get a nice clean connection. All right. Got our ground cleaned up. Let's put this shit in here.
And so that's your actual main ground, right?
Yeah, I think so. All right. Ground is nice and tight in there. Now we just bring him down under here where the thingy goes. Damn. And we just go in here like this. Should work out pretty well. All right. That guy in there. And we can put our main ground, well, transmission ground, up in through here. We can go like this. And we can go like this. And we can go like this. Okay, it's a 17. Fucking hell, mate. Fucking hell, mate. Wrong way. Boom, perfect. Ah, why you gonna knock my glasses off, bro? All right. New grounds are in. Nice and tight, nice and tight. Let's see, does Mr. Cover fit on here? All right, looks like Mr. Cover does fit on here. W. Might have made it a smidge too long, but I would think it'll be all right. All right, now that we got new grounds, hopefully it actually starts every time now. I'm hoping. All right, so I got the grounds fully done and everything. Looks pretty good. This one goes down into there and connects to the tranny. And this one loops back around into here. So, should be good on grounding. And on headlights and shit, even though they don't work. So, the next thing I'm going to do is pull it in the garage and try to work on the fucking gas tank straps. That's just going to suck. All right, let's see. Douchey start. First try, baby. Let's fucking go. Off to the garage. All right, everybody. So this is my gas tank right now. It's being held up by 1, 2, 3 ratchet straps. Because the original hangers are supposed to be here and here have rusted off on these brackets. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see it on the light, but there is a bolt in there and in here. I don't know about the other side, but I should be able to get these 2 out and then hopefully figure something out to resecure this bitch. I'm really hoping it's not a pain in the fucking ass. All right, so I could not get those brackets out. So basically what I'm gonna do is try to get this this guy out first on the far side, because I can actually get to the bolts, and then put one in, figure out how to mount it onto that frame area there. Not quite sure how I'm gonna do that yet, but we're gonna figure it out. Wish me fucking luck. Yes, she came out. Fuck yes. All right, so basically I got the other side out, but this fucker is not gonna reach like at all. So I'm thinking if we bend him flat and then we make a little 90-degree piece of metal to come here, and then either rivet nut into here, I'm probably just gonna put a rivet nut or 2 into here to hold this, and we're gonna call it a fucking day, because I need this shit held up and I'm not trying to fucking deal with all this shit right now, and those are not right, so we're just gonna make it work. All right, so I got just this 1/8 inch thick or whatever 2-inch wide sheet metal, so I'm just gonna make a little bend in it, put a hole for that guy so we can bolt it to it, and then put it on the frame somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little crude measurement, and yeah, we'll figure that out. All right, so there's the little bracket I made. Just 2 riv nuts into this subframe here, and then bolted to that. And when I chopped the jack, it did not move at all. So should be good on this side. Just need to take down these other ratchet straps and then do the exact same thing on this side, and then paint them so that they don't rust away again. So yeah, we doing all right. We getting it done. I thought this was gonna be an impossible job, and it's actually possible, so I'm happy about that. It's just a pain in the fucking ass and a lot of trial and error and eyeball measurements that suck ass. So, but it's going. It's going. All right, everyone. Ratchet straps are all gone. I'll show you what I did. So, I made these little brackets to go in between the two, so now it actually holds, and I don't think that'll be too low because it only sticks a little bit below the gas tank, and the ratchet straps hung lower before and never hit the ground, so I think we should be good. But I mean, it does not move at all. She is fucking sturdy. When I lowered the jack both times, it didn't drop, so I mean, I'm gonna call that shit good enough. I'm just gonna hit her with some underspray so that hopefully it doesn't all fucking rust away. But yes, gas tank is secured. That shit fucking sucked, brothers. All right, everybody. That is going to be it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We got a lot done, and I am very confident driving this car on the road now. I was a little scared with the gas tank, but now she's all set. All good to go. Basically, the only things I need to do to fix the rest of it is figure out why the front blinkers don't work, replace the front pads and rotors, and that's literally the only problems left. So we're getting her. We're getting pretty good. I haven't even put much money in this thing, so I'm very happy with it. Very happy. I've had to do a lot of custom shit, but that's whatever. I'm used to it. I had to do a lot of custom shit on this car with Jaden and on my Prelude out there already. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it, and have a great day.